Maybe you made a rule and you've changed your mind, or you don't want the rule to activate right now. What do? Good question. You go to rule settings. To access your rule settings, you can go to your rule management page and select the rule you want to edit, or you can check the settings of this connection by clicking on the applied rules, selecting the 3 dots on the top right corner and clicking settings. In the rule settings, you have a couple options. You can edit your rule, choose whether or not to activate a rule, whether you want the rule marked as a direct deposit, or delete the rule. Let's start with changing or deleting a rule. On your map, click on the connection between the port and the desired account. For example, I want to change the rules I made for my savings account. After clicking on the connection, a panel will appear and show you a list of rules you've made. Then click on the rule you want to change. Here you can directly edit your rule. Now, if you want to choose whether or not to activate a rule, whether you want the rule marked as a direct deposit, or delete the rule, you need to click on the settings icon on the right-hand side of the panel. So let's delete a rule. As you can see, once you delete a rule, it removes the connection between a port and a pod.